Coming to you live from the new villa.
Yes.
We had to sub out the old one. The peasants started to move in, so we
You're
couldn't
petty.
take it anymore.
You're petty.
Kids was too loud. So we decided to go with the Overwater Villa for the second half of our stay.
Yes.
And so we'll take you through it. So this is the Heavenly Overwater Villa. Got the key worked. So you see once you come in, you see why they call it heavenly. So you start off with the living room area. Nice little decorations. Our favorite orange press. Can't forget that. Nice little staging area. You can see the nice views. This is our sunset room, so we'll be able to see the sunset every day. Her favorite. And then one of the cooler features, as you can see, there is literally glass on the floor. Don't worry, I don't weigh that much. It's fine. So there's no fishies down there right now, but we saw some earlier. We'll keep walking on. A nice private deck. You can see we got the stairs that go down to the water. Go out there in a little bit. We got the nice little chairs where Bae's about to go get her little suntan on here soon.
Mm-hmm.
And then, Vanna, if you wouldn't mind.
Of course.
Oh. Here we have the master suite, owner's suite, whatever you want to call it, renter's suite, where all the magic happens. Oh yeah. Huh? Oh. So as you can see, you get a nice, beautiful view of the ocean with the beautiful long pool. The ceiling. You can see it's nice wood structure, a little old school, but I like it. Gives me very tropical vibes. Heading back behind the bed, there's a nice little cutout here. You can put your luggage, I guess. That's what we got right now. Little back area. Nice little mirror. Hello. Full length mirror. Hello again. Hey. And then, of course, no room would be complete without a owner's bath. So, Vanna White, if you wouldn't mind, one more time.
Of course.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. As you can see, she got her tub again. Beautiful tub. Beautiful shower and bathtub.
And
of course, our favorite. Push. The automatic toilet with the bidet and warm seat warmer. It's very weird, but nice.
Necessity.
Not a necessity. Got a shower with the waterfall shower, as well as the regular spray nozzle thing, whatever it's called. I don't know. Little bathrobe. Double vanity sinks. Oh, but wait. You thought the tub was nice. Wait till you see the view from the tub out into the ocean. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Gotta love a good outdoor shower. Doesn't really work well in the wind, but I guess it's there. Lovely little 3-foot pool with the infinity ledge. Goes all the way down here. We'll be getting that in a little later. What's nice about it is it's lit at night, literally. So it turned like a nice bright blue. Our umbrella's down right now because it was wind blowing earlier, so we just had to set it back up, but we'll get to that. Again, got our chairs. Got a little nook out here. We might eat something a little later. Bring it back to the crib. If you want to go down there and jump in with the fishies, you surely can. I probably will indulge in that sometime later. Low tide, I can walk around. I am no Michael Phelps or anything. And then here you got, onto the other side where you can walk back to the front. But that is the beautiful Heavenly Overwater Villa at the Westin Resorts. Thank you, Vanna. She went and got her glasses for you guys. So, it's a nice, bright, sunny day. I need my sunglasses because I can't see.
See?
So it's beautiful out here. But
It is.
we'll go enjoy a little bit, and then we'll figure out where we're getting drinks later for the sunset. So,
Yeah.
see ya.